Dr. Kate, and this is Talk with the Doc, part of Caring for Creatures Veterinary Hospital. And today we're going to talk about brachycephalic breeds. Brachycephalic is a fancy word for smash-faced dogs, such as pugs. This is my brother's pug named Ellie, also known as Jelly Belly. Pugs are a brachycephalic breed, as well as another good example is bulldogs. These dogs make great pets because they are very loving, very silly, and typically fairly lazy compared to other dogs. Although Ellie is still a puppy, so she is still a little wild. So with these breeds, it's important to be knowledgeable before you go out and buy one because they are a high maintenance breed. So these breeds are predisposed to a variety of health issues because of their long breeding for shorter and shorter noses. We've sometimes bred in other issues. One common issue is their buggy eyes. So although adorable, this will predispose them to eye injuries. They're more likely to get scratches on their eyes, have trauma to their eyes, and some are also prone to dry eye. And with dry eye, sometimes they have to be on lifelong medication to help moisten their eye so they don't get constant eye pain. Another issue with these guys, due to their smashed noses, they have dental issues because all their teeth have to fit in a tiny mouth. So they'll often get overlap of their teeth. She might let me show you. And they get crisscrossing of their teeth. This crisscrossing makes them more likely to get tartar buildup and more likely to get gum inflammation and irritation and more likely to get dental disease. So they often have to get regular dental cleanings to help reduce this, and sometimes they have to get their extra teeth pulled so there's not so many rows. Another issue with these guys, due to their short noses, is they can have breathing problems. These dogs, it's very important if you get one that you keep it indoors, especially if you live in hot areas like the valley. In the summer, these guys can't put off heat as well when they pant due to their smashed faces, and so they can overheat very easily. Anytime it's more than about 90 degrees outside, they should not be outside and they should be inside in the air conditioning because these guys are very sensitive to overheating. Another thing with these guys is over time, they can, due to their small nares or nose openings, they can get difficulty breathing with age, and part of their throat can elongate, and sometimes they need surgery to shorten a part of their throat called their soft palate. Another thing with these little guys is they're prone to skin allergies. Not all. Ellie has pretty good skin. She hasn't had any allergies so far, but especially bulldogs. All these little folds on their faces are prone to getting yeast infections, bacteria in them, so they often have to be cleaned, and sometimes they have to be on maintenance medication to help with their allergies. Overall, these guys do make great pets. They're very fun, very loving, great with children typically. As you can see, Ellie is very sweet. But before you go out and buy one, make sure you're prepared because they do have some health concerns and may require you to come visit me quite a few times. And if you're local, you might get to see her if you're going to Farm Day. Ellie will be at Farm Day allowing your children to listen to her heart. And that was Talk with the Doc with Caring for Creatures Veterinary Hospital. If you would like to submit a request for next week, please message us on Facebook. Bye!